This is a true story of an unfortunate patient, a victim of second-degree burn that left a scar on the left side of the head, resulting in complete follicle destruction. This incident occurred when she was 2 years old, and since then she has taken many forms of medication, but none of them work. After years of finding the best method to fix the concerned area, she found Regrowth Hair Transplant Center, Malaysia. A year later, after the procedure, she came back to show us the result, and we were at a loss for words. It was almost like the accident never happened. It was indeed one of the biggest challenges in my career, a test of skill, knowledge, and experience in the field of hair restoration, and I was determined to give her quality of life back, the life that she deserved. She was satisfied, and she couldn't wait to step out into the world with her newfound confidence.